Hello everyone. Today we have this physics numerical. What is the wavelength of a radio wave broadcasted by a radio station with a frequency of 1300 kilohertz, speed of wave equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second. So first of all, we will look for given data in the question, and then we will look for the required data. So what is the wavelength of a radio wave broadcasted by a radio station with a frequency? So frequency is given, frequency equal to 1300 kilohertz. That is 1.3 into 10 raised to the power 6. How? Because kilo means 1000. So we will convert this kilohertz into hertz. So we will multiply this 1300 by 1000. So it will be equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to the power of 6 hertz. And also speed of wave is given, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, which is equal to the speed of light. So now we require the wavelength. So we will use a wavelength formula, and which is equal to v equal to speed equal to f lambda. So v equal to f lambda, and here we have to calculate the wavelength. So we can write v equal to f lambda as lambda equal to v divided by f. So v is given, that is speed is given. Speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 and divided by frequency. So frequency is equal to 1.3 into 10 raised to the power of 6. So here we will divide this 3 by 1.3. So when we divide 3 by 1.3, so it is equal to 2.3076 into 10 raised to the power. Now this 10 raised to the power 8, and this is in division. So this will go up and will be subtracted from this 8. So it will become 8 minus 6. And now this will become 2.3076 into 10 raised to the power 2, because 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So this 10 raised to the power 2 means that we will shift this decimal point 2 times here. So it will shift to 1 time and 2 times. So this will become 230 when we remove this 10 power 2, or you can also say that 10 power 2 is equal to 100. So we will multiply this value with 100. So we will get 230.76 meter, and this is the wavelength of the required radio wave. So what is the wavelength of radio wave? So the wavelength, that is lambda, equal to 230.76 meter. And this is the solution and answer of the given question. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.